1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Read the question. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 36. Solution. Chinese remainder theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. So it is written as 4 into 9. Divisibility rule of 4 is last two digits should be divisible by 4. 4 19s are 76. Remainder 2. So 4 we got 4a plus 2. 9. 9 what I will do is I will write this number like this. 1, 1, 2, 3. Whatever it is written horizontally, I will write it vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is nothing but sum of the digits. Already we discussed. If you do the digits in any order, sum will not same. So let us do digital sum. If you see 1, it is 1. 1 plus 2, it is 3. If you observe, these is nothing but plus 2. These is nothing but plus 3. These is plus 4. These is plus 5. These is plus 6. These is plus 7. And it is plus 8. And it is plus 8. These is nothing but plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, and plus 8. Digital sum is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 6 plus 3, 9 out. 21 plus 15, 76, 36 out. 36 out. 28 digital sum is 1. 10 digital sum is 1. Here also it is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So sum of the digits is 3. So it is 4a plus 2 equivalent to 9b plus 3. 4a plus 2 equivalent to 9b plus 3. It is nothing but 4a equivalent to 9b plus 1. So 4a equivalent to 8b plus b plus 1. 8b plus b plus 1. These divisible by 4. These divisible by 4. This should be divisible by 4. B minimum is 3. B minimum is 3. So if it is 3, 9 3s are 27 plus 3. Answer for this question is 30. Answer for this question is 30. Again see this question, sir. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 1, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 36. 36 is a composite number. Composite number can be written as a product of coprimes. So I wrote this number as 4 into 9. Divisibility rule of 4 is last two digits should be divisible by 4. 4 19s are 76. Remainder is 2. 4a plus 2. 9. Write down vertically. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 digital sum is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1, 2, 3 is 6. If there is an addition of 2 here, there is an addition of 3. It will keep increasing. Addition of 4, addition of 5, addition of 6, addition of 7, addition of 8. 36 is sum of the digits 9. 15 plus 21 sum of the digits 9. 6 plus 3 sum of the digits 9. 1, 1, 1. Remaining is 3. 4a plus 2 equivalent to 9b plus 3. 4a equivalent to 9b plus 1. 4a is 8b plus b plus 1. These divisible by 4. These divisible by 4. B minimum should be 3. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3. 9 3s are, how you got 30? I am substituting here. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 3. Sum of the digits is 30. Good question which says that addition of digits can be done individually or a group of 2 digits or a group of 3 digits and it continues. Answer will not change. Answer will not change. I hope this idea is clear to you. 7th one over. Now we have to discuss a concept. Please write down. Another model. Another model. When numerator and denominator, when numerator and denominator are not coprime to each other, are not coprime to each other. When numerator and denominator are not coprime to each other, when they are not coprime to each other. First we will discuss, I think it is model 10 or model 11. When they are not coprime to each other, concept. 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Positive remainder is 1. Because here 7 and 2 are coprime to each other. HCF of 2 comma 7 is 1. Suppose if I do 14 divided by 4. 14 divided by 4. 4 and 14 both are even numbers. Even numbers cannot be coprime to each other. If the numerator and denominator are not coprime to each other, the method is 14 is 2 into 7. 4 is 2 into 2. Take the factor common out. Factor common out. Write it separately. 7 divided by 2, remainder 1, and remultiply. Take the factor common out and remultiply. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. In bracket write down. Take the factor common out. Take the factor common out. Do it for coprimes. Do it for coprimes and then remultiply. And then remultiply. And then remultiply. Take the factor common out. Do the answer for coprimes and remultiply. Take the factor common out. Find out the coprimes and remultiply. 14 divided by 4. 14 divided by 4, 7 by 2. The basic difference is 2 and 7 are coprime to each other. 4 and 14 are not coprime to each other. 2 into 7, 2 into 2. 2 is taken out. 7 divided by 2 is 1. Take the factor common out. Put it in bold letters, sir. Take the factors common out. Take the factors common out and remultiply. Take the factors common out and remultiply. Take the factors common out and remultiply. 2 into 7, 2 into 2. 2 is taken out. 7 by 2 is 1 and remultiply. Examples. Please take 5 to 6 examples, practice problems. Then we will solve exercise problems. Then we will solve exercise problems. Examples. Examples. First example. 2 power 36. 2 power 36 divided by 6. 2 power 36 divided by 6. 2 and 6 are not coprime to each other. Make them coprime. These 6 is 2 into 3. 2 power 36 by 2 is 2 power 35 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder 2. 2 is for 2 power 35. But I require for 2 power 36. Another 2 is multiplied. 2 2s are 4. 2 power 36 by 6. 6 is 2 into 3. 2 power 35 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 2. 2 is for 2 power 35. But I want the answer for 2 power 36. Multiply by 2. Take the common factor out and multiply again. Second question. 3 power 120 divided by 12. 3 power 120 divided by 12. This is nothing but remainder of 3 power 120 divided by 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So this is nothing but remainder of 3 power 119 divided by 4. 3 power 119 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 negative remainder. Positive remainder is 3. 3 is for 3 power 19. But I want for 3 power 120. Extra 3 needs to be written. Answer is 3 3s are 9. Answer is 3 3s are 9. 5 power 200 divided by 15. 5 power 200 divided by 15. This is nothing but 5 power 200 divided by 3 into 5. 5 power 200 by 5 is 5 power 199. 5 power 199 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder 2. 2 I got the answer for 5 power 199. I want it for 5 power 200. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. I hope everybody is clear with these 3 examples. If it is clear to you, kindly reply it in the live chat. Clear, 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 so that I can take the practice problems. What is the concept in these? When the numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other, not co-prime to each other, what is the concept? Make them co-prime, multiply the factor again. Make them co-prime, multiply the factor again. 2 power 36 by 6. It is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 power 36 by 2 is 2 power 35 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder 2. 2 into 2 4. Everybody kindly reply. Kindly reply. We'll start from basics, then intermediate, then advanced level. Everybody, I hope it is clear. Right? Vaishnavi, for you. 5 power 200 by 15. 15 is 5 into 3. 5 power 200 by 5 is 5 power 199 by 3. 3 2s are 6. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 2. 2 is for 5 power 199. Question is 5 power 200. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10.